Welcome to another edition of Technologic with Mike and Terry. I'm Mike and this is Terry. Terry is the owner of MacTech Solutions at 4020 Ray Road here in Wichita Falls, Texas. And one of the things we're going to talk about today is how to make an appointment to come in and see Terry and his staff here at MacTech Solutions. You can do that on your desktop, on your laptop, on your tablet, or on your phone as well. And Terry's going to walk us through exactly how you go online onto their website to set up an appointment.
Yep, so we're requiring an appointment now. It gets you in the door, gets everything done quicker and more efficiently.
Yes.
And so, plus it lessens your wait time. I mean, that's a really, really big part of this, is to make it easier for everybody. So the best way to do that, of course, is to go to our website. You can Google it, of course, and just Google MacTech Solutions. Now, I've of course been there a bunch of times, but if you Google MacTech Solutions and just click on the actual link there to our website, and what you're going to see there is at the top you're going to see a service menu, and that service menu you're going to also see Apple Authorized Service. Now that, obviously, we're an Apple Authorized Service provider, so you just click on that. And then, now here's some great information here about your device, that if you want to learn about, what are the options of getting it repaired and that kind of thing. And then, so if you, most often, if people want to get an iPhone, of course, worked on, that's what we see the most. So you click on iPhone, and there goes a lot of information about what to expect when you arrive, and a little bit about Apple Care and all that kind of stuff. So if you click on that green button that says Schedule Appointment, and it'll take you to a page that all you have to do is type in your zip code or our zip code, whatever, 76308, and just wait just a moment, and then it will actually bring up our location there, and all you have to do is click that. And you need an iPhone repaired, just click the device, and then pick a date. Now it's going to show today in red if we happen to have an appointment, and so then you click continue, and it gives you the options right there. So all you do then is click the time that you would like, and then just fill out your information right there. So I'm going to go ahead and go through this real quick. I'm going to use my email, the one I don't use a lot, and then you put in your phone number. That's our shop phone, and then I'm going to put my first name, last name. And then on this comments, this would be helpful to describe what's going on with your phone, maybe the serial number of the phone, and any other pertinent information about getting your device taken care of. So once you do that, so my iPhone screen is cracked. Please repair. Please repair. Okay. And then just click continue, and then you're going to get a confirmation. And you click on book appointment, and there you go. You will then get an email indicating that you've got an appointment. It'll be from Apple. Actually, I think you get two emails. So you get one from us, and you get one from directly from Apple as well. So that's real simple. Now, the other thing you can do is you can do the same thing on your phone. I will just, if I can type, there we go. Okay, and now on your phone, though, there's going to be a little bit different in that the menu is, you click on the menu button. It also, you can hit what they call the hamburger menu, and you're going to swipe up until you get to that same thing under service, and then you're going to have Apple Authorized Service right there. And it's basically, at this point, it's going to be just the same. Once you get on there, you then pick your device, read up on some information, and then again, now this part, a little bit, some other things there that you want to read about. It goes off the screen a little bit, but you keep going, and you'll see the green button at some point, schedule an appointment, and then it'll open a new window, and voila, you'll just fill out the information, same as you did before. And I won't go through all that, but you get the idea. So just as easy. Yeah, super easy. And if you have any trouble, though, just don't hesitate to call. We'll take your call and help you out over the phone, see if we can get you an appointment. But we do. It just saves some time. You can do that in your pajamas, and you don't have to. You can do it at 3 in the morning if you'd like. So, but we encourage everyone, please make appointments, because that just gets things more efficient for everybody. Also, make sure you have your Apple ID and password.
Yes, that'll be very helpful.
Because we have to turn off Find My iPhone in order to process any repair at all. So,
okay.
All right.
All right, terrific. Well, you can learn more at MacTech-Solutions.com. Again, that's where you go to schedule the appointment, and you can get all kinds of great information about Apple products and services as well. And again, MacTech Solutions at 4020 Ray Road here in Wichita Falls, Texas. Just remember to make the appointment in advance. Be sure and check out Terry's website, again, MacTech-Solutions.com. My website is HendronMedia.com, and you can reach me at Mike@HendronMedia.com if you've got advertising questions or want to inquire about doing some advertising or marketing of some of the services I offer as well. So join us next time for another edition of Technologic with Mike and Terry. Be sure to check us out and share this with all your friends, please. The YouTube links and everything. Share that with everyone you know, please. Help spread the word. We'll see you next time with more Technologic.